So, Miss Lopez, you're going to be featured in a gallery. How do you feel? Interesting. Tell me more. Or tell me nothing. You do you.
Ow, 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 ow. Can you not? No. Ow. Ow, ow, Jesus, what? What's on my leg that you... Ah, no, cut off. Why do I love you? Why do I put up with you? All you do is peck me. Mean chicken. Ow, fuck, ow, sorry. Penny! Oh! Works on cats and chickens. Who'd have thought? Ooh. Uh-oh. Oh my god, she slowed it down on purpose. Good girl! How clever! No. Penny. No. Refrain. Penny, don't. Penny, don't. Penny. Penny, I'm in the bath. Huh. Okay. Now what?